Check. Yo, yo, yo. What's happening, friends? Let me just click this button over here. Let me just click a couple buttons here real quick. Bang. What's up, you guys? Monday. You survived another week. Just in general. We all did, I guess. Which is crazy, because there's a lot of people that didn't make it. There's a lot of people that were around on Friday that aren't here on Monday. And that's pretty freaking crazy. So we did it. We did it financially and literally. Big John, what up? Hey, you guys. What the flip just happened with gold, bro? What the flip just happened with gold? It's like, bro, why does this kind of shit have to happen when we're not freaking, you know, pre whatever? Let it happen for us. Give us some fun. What up, gang? Big Chris, Big James, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, it's like, gold, why you do this to us? So something that I'm thinking is, just got in a buy. Oh shit. Okay, that's a lot of anticipation. That's a big expectation. Big Kelvin, Big Suman, what up, what up, what up? The 4 hour looks good on Forex and futures for like a push down. We just had that crazy move. If I was looking at the higher time frame to try and get some sort of confluence for a continuation down, I would potentially want to see a little bit of a pullback and then try to catch it there on the way down. You know what I mean? But let's not... Is Pepperstone a legit broker? I'm not sure. What up, what up, what up, what up? TikTok gang. Live over here on Yui Chewy. Nice move. Yeah, crazy stuff over here. Pre-London, they just... Pre-London, they hit us with the bangers. And then leave the crumbs for the London guys. I'm a London boy. You guys on TikTok, we're live over here on Yuch. We're live over here on Yuch. You can see the shits here. Maybe I'll put this right here, right in your face, so you can't miss it. But yeah, here we are, you guys. Let's do it. Let's exercise discipline, patience. Just wait for our setups to come to us. Carolina, good to see you. I'm doing amazing. Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. Nice moves. That previous, just lucky I didn't get to listen to the signal groups. Welcome to TikTok. Have fun interactive with real-time creators 18 and above. Go live. Wait, what is this? Lucky I didn't listen to the signal groups. They said gold, prepare to fly 300 and then it dumps. Bro, get out of the signal groups, Mad Lord. Come on, bro. We've got to do this shit. We've got to crush this game. These signal groups will hold you back, my brothers. They're trying to clip your wings over there. They're out here clipping brothers' wings. These signals. These signal groups are looking at your wings for the clipping. They're trying to get clippy with it. But yeah, that's the main goal today, you guys. Remember what happens when you come into a session on a Monday. You've been waiting around all weekend. You know, you're hungry, you're like eager to jump into the market and have like get shit happening, right? Try to almost eliminate that mindset. Just rock up and just say, hey man, if nothing shows up, then I'm happy to not trade. And even if I do trade and I take a loss, just leave it there, bro. Because there's a tendency on Monday. Do you know statistically most traders lose on a Monday, and it's for that exact reason. I always like to buy gold since 3 years ago. Beautiful. You are bowling by now. You're an island boy by now. What broker do you use? Love the mentality. Bro, did time not change for you? No. No, time didn't change for me in Queensland, Australia. That move happened in London, not pre-London. No, that happened pre-London. London just opened 5 minutes ago. Paddy. Did London just open 5 minutes ago, you guys? Big Graph. What up, cousin? Did London open 5 minutes ago, you guys? Or has something changed? I don't think anything's changed. No, an hour ago. Yeah, but that's for you guys, not me, I don't think. It's New York that changed. Yeah, it's New York that changed. I don't think London's changed, you guys. Yeah, Perth time 5 minutes ago. Yeah, there you go. Buddy, how you doing? I'm doing amazing, Sparkles. Hope you're doing sparkly. Armando, what up, brother? According to babypips.com, it's open at 6 p.m. Brisbane. Yeah. I think you guys are tripping, whoever's saying whatever. Love you too, brothers. My time's showing 8 a.m. Okay, if we know that it's 8 a.m. London open, what time is it in London? London. It's 8 a.m. Yeah, London opened 6 minutes ago, cousin. So it's all good. We're firing on all cylinders over here. Let's have a look here. And look here, you guys, the truth be told, you guys, is that I'm probably like you guys and I'm extremely passionate about trading. And right now, all I'm thinking is, let me just chill out here and see if a trade comes to me. Because I don't want to burn my own bridges. I don't want to make trading harder than it already is and force anything. What up, Zoo? So I'm going to let a trade come to me. London hasn't changed, man, 2 weeks' time. I don't know if it even changes in 2 weeks' time for... yeah, I'll have to keep an eye on that, I guess. I guess if it does change in London, we'll see. That daylight saving shit's so dumb. What up, Xander? Oh, Zesty, what up, brother? I'm a beginner and it's good to learn with the way Bush spent. Good to have you, bro. What's your entry plan for today? The entry plan is just to wait for a textbook playbook setup to come to me. Pre-London, we had a big push down here. Let's measure this candle. Wow, we had 110 pips just drop in one. We had a 100 pip drop in a 1 minute in 15-minute candle pre-London. Zesty Mondays, yeah, it's Zesty Mondays, so let's not let the charts kind of zestify us too much. What broker do you use and why? It doesn't matter. Every broker's the same, brother. They're not gonna. It's all the same shit. If you're an island boy, it's all the same. I'm a just island boy. I know it's a bit bright still, but it's just like sometimes you need to get at it. The bridge is orange again today. Last time it was orange, there was a no trade. It's a green screen backdrop is amazing. Brother, it's not a green screen. You've been docking with those Mars guys lately? Who the fuck are Mars guys? You've been docking with the Mars guys. How's the Cyclone shit? Yeah, Cyclone's chill. Hi man, I love your trading videos. I love you, bro. Thank you. You've been docking with those... Oh, sorry, raised that message. Yeah, I live in Queensland. Yep. Now, the bridge is... It looks red, but it's actually yellow. How often do you try docking? Bro, this range gold stuck in is crazy. 5th day. Yep, 5th day. We've been stuck in this range, you guys. I'll bring it up for you guys on TikTok. If you want to see the full chart, you can see the text there to come over to YouTube. But if we look here, 5th day type shit. 5th day here. So we know based on the laws of Newton's law of fucking relativity, even though that wasn't Newton, was it? That once we break out of one of these ranges, see ya. And I'm not going to sit here and try to predict which way it's going to break out, but it is an interesting thing to observe. Hi guys, I need a trading partner. I can't do this on my own. Kelly, then you need to join the Discord. There's a link in my bio. We've got a whole bunch of cats in there crushing it, and we're all just chilling. We would love to love you, so come on over. No more cyclone. No, I think it's like it was a big fake out, to be honest. Like it was crazy. There's a lot of shit knocked down in that, but in comparison to what they made it seem like, it was kind of a fake out. The cyclone faked us out. I'm doing amazing, greatness. Hope you're doing well. Do you give signals? No, I do give. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing came to my mind. Maybe CPI will break the ranges. Well, I thought the same about NFP, but NFP kind of came up and faked back into the range. But yeah, maybe we'll see. Market done me dirty on Friday. Waited for another double sweep. Yeah, that's probably why it did you dirty. You're waiting for sweeps and shit. Nah, I'm only joking. Why can't I join Discord, mate? You can, but if it doesn't work for you, then you got to paste the link into your browser. Copy the link and paste it into your browser. Browsing around. Yeah, you guys on YouTube, on TikTok, you can see my whole chart shit's on YouTube right now live. So we're pushing back over here, pushing down, we'll see what happens. It's fucking tempting based on the 4 hour, but I would need some support. The unfortunate thing is I would need some support on the lower time frames in order for me to take a sell based on the 4 hour. And we just have no lower time frame support formed. So there's nowhere really for my stop loss or... What up, consciousness? I'm doing amazing. Hope you're doing well. Here fresh on a Monday with you guys and looking to do the shit. Cyclone smelt the zest and turned back. Literally. See, zest will keep you fucking safe. If you have one chance to tell your younger self something, what would it be? It would be stop being a little bitch and try harder. Stop thinking so much and do more. Think bigger. Think bigger. Stacy's in the chat. Stacy's in the chat. Where you freaking at? Stacy, where you at? Stacy needs to jump on a plane and fly to the pad so we can make a baby. Maybe I'm your dad. Okay, that took a weird turn. Hey Dan, what's the difference between gold and micro gold futures? It's just like the contract size that you decide to use. So if I use 20 micro contracts, that's equivalent to 2 full contracts. And if I want to take off 85%, then I can take off, you know, like 16 fucking, you know, zesty bro. Okay, so what are you going to look? So we're coming back down. We've still got that push to the downside to some regard. How are you in Sydney? No, I'm in Brisbane. Do you ever trade crypto? Nah. What up, Sly? Please, sir, can you reply to me after the live section? Depends what you're asking. Just ask it now, bro. I would say just ask it now because I probably won't, brother. Sorry. So I would say ask it now. So, you know, obviously we've come into the London session, red. We've got a 100 pip range of red, and if we want, if we want a high probability setup, especially on a Monday, it's only going to make sense to need a bit of green, right? I think that's the only. I think that's pretty logical to say. How's your night going? My night's amazing, brother. Hope you're doing well. How much would you recommend to start with trading Forex? 0. You start by learning, Jay. Start by learning. Not by the other thing that you said. You start by learning, my G. You start by being an island boy. Anyone in the Discord's got any analysis? Drop it in. We can have a look at your analysis over here as well. Gold analysis. Looking for pullbacks. Oh, it's GBP. What up, Trey? What up, Tina? I'm better now that you're here, Tina Beauty. Bro, I want to ask a question. Which is better, live account or challenge account? I would suggest if you're asking that question, I'll challenge account. Get like the cheapest challenge account you can get. You're gonna have a set of rules that you're gonna have to abide by. It's gonna like basically, you know, put some parameters like here, bro, like pass the challenge. Like, can I pass this challenge by being a disciplined trader, essentially? What's your view on gold, bro? Just waiting to try and get a little scalp over here, but we're going to need a bit of green. Pre-London, we moved down 100 pips impulsively, and now we're just going to need a bit of green to print in order for us to have some potential to participate. I would love to take a sell based on the 4-hour, but in order for me to do that, I'm going to need some sort of support on a lower time frame. Because that's what a lot of trading is. Like the way that we trade in the mentorship and shit like that, it's like using higher time frame bias for a lower time frame position. So I want to go with the higher time frame flow. Bro, check out Bitcoin. All right, I'll have a quick look. Just for a laugh, you know. Yeah, not much. Over the weekend we dropped and now we're just chilling. Had a bit of a pullback. What's the best way to learn trading? Just Google, brother. Just Google, jumping on Google and starting from the ground up. Typing in what is trading? What is a candlestick? What is life? You go off the 15 and 30-minute chart. I look at the 15 and the 30 and out like mainly for executions, but I'm using all like time frames to kind of give me confidence that the execution is a good idea. Bro, I've got your strategy video, but I fall asleep watching it. Brother, all the time. You need to lock in, my cousin. Lock in like this. Your life depends on it. I'm assuming you didn't get into trading because you wanted to fuck around. So you got to take it serious, my cousin. You got to take it serious. Is TGR trade some bootcamp a good way to start? It depends if you want to trade in that manner. I think that's like ICT type shit. So I guess it depends if you want to trade like ICT stuff. Yeah, I don't know what's going on over here. Atlas, what up, my G? What up, what up, what up? Just Google, Jay, Google. You'll see there's so much. Like for all the basic, like fundamental shit, like you don't need me to teach you that. Like there's so much shit out there of just like the fundamental basic shit of trading. Then from there, you can kind of fine tune into a strategy. Hi, I'm new to Forex trading world, but I have a little idea. Amazing. Hate Mondays? Yeah, you gotta be careful on Mondays. Do baby pips for the basics? Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I was saying it before, like statistically, Mondays are when traders lose the most, I believe. Am I wrong there? Island boy. Only 3% of day traders make profit. These statistics are like so skewed. You hear so many different ones. It's like, who's telling the truth over here? Do you have an opinion on football charts and over the normal charts? Yeah, it's just preference. I don't know about that, so I wouldn't have an opinion. Laugh, laugh, laugh. I'm up 1200 for the day. Why are you laughing about that? Why is that funny? About good stuff if you are. Good shit, son. You guys come over to YouTube if you want the full shits. I think you might be onto something when it's high. What do you mean, Brent? What are we onto? This is gold. What are we looking for? Just waiting for price to kind of... Gonna need a bit of green. Pre-London, price dropped 100 and it's all red. We're gonna need a little bit of green. Hey, one more drink. Fuck, there must have been a lot of people there for the one more drink episode because so many people say it now. I think it was my longest stream actually, just waiting for one more setup, one more candle to print, one more drink, and then eventually got the little dub. Can I send you a rose? No. No. You can't do that. Because if you do that, then I have to admit that I'm accepting a rose from a dude, and then people are going to call me zesty even more. And I'm just sick of being called zesty, brother. Yeah, you guys on YouTube, on TikTok, I can bring up the chart every now and then, but the full streams on TikTok, on YouTube. I used one of your strategies and it worked perfect. Beautiful. Just understand you will get burnt over time though, like because you can't really watch just live streams or videos randomly and execute the strategy. You need the full, like, obviously that's why I have the entire course strategy breakdown, because you need like the in-depth breakdown of it. When you pick and choose, you're going to get burnt over the long run. But it's good that you found some success there, brother. Amazing. I got my first challenge up, tiny bit, 5K, but it's beautiful. Oh, Anus is over here on the YouTube chat. I hate when you're waiting for confirmation and miss an entry late on the green. Sneaky Rose. What website? This is Bullinox. It's a funding company. I'm linking both my 100K accounts today for the first time. You'll be called Zesty Dan on every live stream, like the green screen. Fuck. You can officially put a rainbow in your bio, bro. Oh, thank you for the gifts over there on TikTok. Damn, I've got like $100 US, maybe a bit. No, I've got more than $100 US sitting in my TikTok account. Maybe I should withdraw it. It's only after, so 3 months of streaming and posting a lot of viral content on TikTok, growing an account from 0 to 100,000 in under 3 months and I earn $100. Fucking hell. The greatest mentor, the greatest student, even though I don't think you're in the mentorship, but appreciate you, brother. Till this day. Don't spend it all at once. Legit. Please, I need help on trading. On trading? Yeah, well, what do you need help with, my friend? I'll try and help you. So this candle here, is this the first 30 of the London session? Please start a challenge for your community. That's a good idea, but what do you mean? Please start a challenge for your community. What does that mean? I actually went independent on it, took the time to understand it by myself before. How do I join your community though? We have the free Discord in my bio, and you also have the mentorship in my bio as well. You can see both links there, my G. All right, so we're pushing down more over here. This is cool. When I seen this big move pre-London, I'll be honest, I was like, that might have been the move. And I was like, maybe you can catch a counter trend. But we'll just have to wait and see. I don't know what's going on, bro. Did you take a trade today? Yeah, I took a 4-hour sell over here earlier. Once it broke that previous 4 hours bottom wick. I've been watching you lives for a while and you ain't really made a live trade yet. Well, then you haven't watched enough. Have you, bucko? Learn a lot by viewing your videos. Wow, look at this. Not even gonna lie, bro. Anyone that's been on the stream every day, the last 3 days, so Monday, Friday, and Thursday, when we came into the stream, this is exactly what the market looked like. It was just one color for like 100 pips. And we were just like, yeah, we'll hang out and wait for a bit of support. And then it just had nothing. Tilly, it's in my bio, brother. You'll see my links in my bio. It's hard being an alien. Being a human. A challenge to flip 100. Yeah, but that just promotes bad trading, I think. Bro, you inspired me to get back to the basics. Amazing, Ricky. The basics, if you think about any sports, like boxing or any fundamental sport, like, I don't know why I said fundamentals, but any sport, the best at the sport are always those that do the fundamental basics the best. Honestly, you think about like the best boxers, the best one that any athlete in any field, they always are the ones that do the basics the best. And then we think as humans, oh, we need to overcomplicate it to be better. And then overcomplicating just gets shit messier and shitter. Show us your view. I can't move the camera. TikTok algorithm shows me Daniel's strategy immediately after I blew my account. I'm starting to think we're cursed, bro. Like literally the last 3 days, this is what we've come into the London session as. But you got to remember, this is every single person in the entire world has come into the London session like this. It's just how it is. Wow, look at this crazy push here. Wow. The 4 hour was kind of telling this story, but unfortunately I wanted to take another 4 hour trade, but needed some sort of lower time frame support in order for me to take it. Fuck, that was a juicy 4 hour on the Forex chart. What a shame there was no support formed. What a shame. Gordon Ramsay, what a fucking shame. You donkey. What a shame. Wow. You fucking sandwich. What do you think of ICT? I think he's linked with the Illuminati. Oh, wow. Look at that big gap down there, you guys. What a shame. Wow. Someone said, I agreed. I don't know. I was joking. I don't know anything about ICT. Okay, the 15 didn't gap, but the 30 did. That's weird. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, you got to come over to YouTube. I can't have my chart here for too long. The last few trading days, it seems like the moves happen pre-London. I know, bro. It's fucking so annoying. What? ICT Illuminati? Imagine that becomes like a new fucking, you start to see it on YouTube videos. ICT linked to Illuminati. Daniel Holmes trades, leaks information about ICT linked to Illuminati. And then there's photos of him like in photos like this and shit. And like flashes of Jay-Z doing it and shit. How many pips do you chase on your... just, man, if I can get 15 to 20 pips per trade, that's crushing it. Sometimes 10. You gotta understand, like, the amount of... Sometimes people comment on my shit like, dude only got 15 pips. And it's like, the pips that you catch are in accordance to the size that you use. Dan, turn it up, mate. What level we going into in this? Wait, is the music really loud or something on TikTok? Or is it... Please, can you teach? Yep, just all price action, Ricky. Oh, it's low. I'll turn that bitch up a little bit if you want. I won't do it too much. I'll just do it by 1. How do I take profit or loss? Bro, you need to not even trade if you're asking those questions. It's still too early. You need to keep learning. Holy fuck, you guys. It's just like you jump on the charts and it's just... This is where you get 130 pips of just one color. Yay! The candles are getting bigger as well, implying there's more volume pushing down. It's sometimes, like, honestly, it is quite hard being an alien, being a human, but it is what it is. So you believe in the Illuminati? Well. I don't know what I don't know. No, I don't know. No, I don't know. Bro, look at Bitcoin for a second, please. I could imagine that it's pushing down a little bit after that little support. Yeah. Or that 1 hour rejected that. There's obviously a support level here. You know, I always look at Bitcoin and have a tendency to want to trade it, like price action trade it. Like, obviously, you could look at that and say a break. Oh, let me bring it up here on TikTok. You could obviously look at this kind of key level where I've got this line and say if a candle can close below that and then, you know, retest it and then start pushing down, could look at taking a sell. But yeah, whatever. Yeah, the Bitcoin boys are fucked. The crypto boys are cooked. Crypto cook. Wow, gold, bro. I guess we can just sit here and just be like, all right, well, I guess this is a viewing party. Because gold's just like, bruh. Gold's leaving no prisoners. Seems like 2,900 support will be I don't know what that even means. 1,800 on gold. Bro, you said that before, but you said a lower number. And why do you keep laughing about it? Don't laugh about... Don't act egotistical about getting a win and laugh, because trust me, bro, the market has an incredible way of humbling you. The market will literally fold you up into a little pretzel and treat you as it pleases. You put it this way, you'll be dropping the soap for the market. Yeah, gold's been crushing it. Beautiful Zest. Got into a trade based on Forex. Long or short? there's nothing I can fucking do right here. Look at this, just 130 of red. Gonna hang out a little bit. Gonna hang out and see if something can present. Why has gold been like this? Like what? It's just doing nothing. It's just doing the shit. DXY is selling. Let's have a look at DXY. DXY is just whatever. Like it's selling now, but look what happened when gold was dropping 100. When gold was, yeah, this is why I don't really fuck around with DXY correlation and shit, because it's like, you're going to think too much into, oh, this is doing that. That means this is probably going to do this. And it's just like, nah, it's just, yeah. 37,000 profit on gold today, done for the day. I don't believe you. Just straight up. I don't believe that. I just don't feel like somebody that made $37,000 today is commenting on a TikTok live stream with like a tongue out emoji. That's the only reason. If you didn't put them emojis, maybe I would believe you. But you put them emojis. So now I don't believe that. You know what I'm saying? Buy the dip. But how do you know it's a dip? Right? Isn't that interesting? How do you know it's a dip? You only know it's a dip when the market's up here and you're like, oh, it turns out that was a dip. But right now, it's just there. So how do you know it's a dip? You only know it's a dip after the dip actually dipped. Don't act like a diplodosis, because you're not a wizard, Harry. Yeah. Can you please explain what you're waiting for? Sorry. I'm literally waiting for a green candle to print, to be brutally honest, because right now I can't do anything when there's just red. I need a bit of market structure. Since I got funded, discipline is key for me. Discipline is absolutely key, brother. Yep, for sure, man. Why do you have the loading thing above in the middle? Oh, wow, you're right. What the fuck is that? There it goes. There it goes. Wow, thanks for... See, little things like that keep me awake at night, so I'm glad that you pointed that out. I'm sure he meant $37. Yeah, probably. What up, Ali? Same man, I stopped watching DXY when I seen that a group event. Yeah. It'll start messing with your head. And because I know the concept of people, why they watch the DXY is like, oh man, I'm looking up as a confluence with like, if this is doing that, gold will most likely be doing this. But then it's like, okay, well then why don't you also stack the SMA? And then why don't you also stack the fucking Bollinger Bands? And then before you know it, you're looking at shit. When really, hey guys, really? The candles tell you everything. If we're breaking down to the freaking, if we're getting down and dirty with it, it's the candles are literally telling you everything you need to know. So the candles will freaking give you the heads up. Wax on, wax off, exactly. So judging by the candles, sellers are weakening. Judging by the candles, sellers are fucking crushing the game. Look at this. Look at this, Mr. TikTok. Judging by the candles, sellers are not weakening. Judging by the candles, sellers literally have buyers in a headlock and they're kissing them on the forehead. They're doing that thing like, what's it called? A noogie? They're giving the buyers a noogie. Snooky. Who knows? Remember Snooky? Fuck, I guess I'm old. Snooky's fucking... Haha, made 50k by my tongue out face. double bottom. Yeah, it's only a double bottom when it's a double bottom, because if this pushes down, then it's no longer a double bottom. If this pushes down, it then becomes just a whatever. So this candle here closed in 3 minutes. Stop picking your nails with your handy file. My handy file is always very handy. Don't get zesty without, don't try to get zesty with the file. Hello, I'm in YouTube. You're not looking good for sell? Yeah, just waiting for opportunity, brother. Waiting for the market to kind of present something that says to us that it, you know, here's a good place to enter and here's a good place to put your stop loss. So what's on your mind, please? Really just thinking about the political and economical state of the world. You know, my friends don't want to speak about that. How do you simplify your strategy? Been practicing all day and it's still made well, you need proper education, to be honest. You can only do so much by yourself until that you just take somebody else's proven strategy and system. Bro, I'm new here. Do you go live like this every day? Yeah, I do every day on YouTube. Like YouTube, you can see the full shits. TikTok, I just have to bring that chart and then take it away and bring it up. And, you know. Guys, I'm a beginner. What do I need to know? I'll tell you exactly what you need to know, Gordon. You need to jump onto YouTube and TikTok. Jump onto YouTube and Google and just start Googling shit. What is trading? What's a candlestick? What's a fucking financial market? Start from the ground up. I'm currently messing with the Daniel Trades scam account. That's been all day. That's funny. Oh my god, get lost, graph. Get zest off. Which pairs is gold? Hi Daniel, I have 3 Bitcoins. Is this worth anything? No. No. Just give them away. Just give them away. Wow, look at this. So remember that person was like, dude, it's a double bottom. And I'm like, is it a double bottom or is it just nothing? Because look what happened. Now double bottom people just got tagged out. So yeah, we're kind of approaching that. Maybe today's the day we kind of break out of this range. Maybe today's the day we break out of the range. Did you drop it in the Discord? Analysis? No? Yeah, we're always getting zesty over here. So the next, there's obviously like some sort of mid-range here, right? This is like kind of a, what's say about there? Let's just see. That's like the next range, and then below that's clean range to here. But the same story, it's just like we've moved so much. Are we going to have the volume? Maybe. But then other than that, we're obviously going to need some green. Look, this is another 15 closure, and look how strong this 15 is. So these candle bodies are still representing a lot of strength here moving down. What do you think if I pass one account and after that I get a live, I lost it, I can buy? Yeah, you can get another account. You can get another account. No, I don't use Telegram. Is there a reason you're not shorting? Yep, because there's nowhere to enter. Where am I going to put my stop loss? What happened with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin still just... Yeah, look, Bitcoin kind of broke below that level, but broke down too far. Wow. Wow, I guess maybe today is the day we break out. Who knows? How much should you be making minimum to be considered a successful day trader? It's not about how much you make, it's about how consistent you are. That's all. Can you consistently come into the market and not just make profit, but manage your account well? Can you keep an account? Can you manage your losses? Can you manage your emotions on a consistent basis? And then over time, you can just increase your size. Thank you, Ricky. Thank you for coming over the YouTube. No, never use any Fibonacci or anything like that. I message you probably on Discord. I won't answer it, brother. Sorry. There's just too much in there, bro. Just type it here, focus. So you said once, if there's a big move in one direction and prints a candle with a long wick, but it closes in the same color of the direction, most of the times the next candle will fill that wick. I don't know about that. Like yeah, I don't really know what you mean there. Like wick fills are definitely a thing, right? But it's just the same, the overall the same kind of thing you wait for is, you know, just a market to kind of create a bit of structure in order for you to actually enter. In a situation like now, we need a bit of green. Damn, which is better, 100K personal or 100K funded? 100K funded, because you're gonna just lose all your money. Wow. This is, I guess we just kind of, this is like a viewing party, right? I guess we just have to keep watching it drop. Hey, you guys, hey, this is so important, you guys. Do not get motherfucking FOMO, you guys. I will literally crawl through the screen and beat you up. Do not get FOMO right now. Okay? Because if you're looking for you're like, oh man, it's dropping. I want to get in sells. Like, what if it keeps dropping? Which it could and probably maybe will. It's very risky. There's nowhere for your stop loss. It's very risky. Just be patient. Just be patient. Because the cool thing after a big move is you're going to get another move. The market's not going anywhere, bro. Like, look when the market was pushing up here, did you think, oh, I missed my move? What did I do? Pull back, had another opportunity. Like, shit just keeps popping up. Like, more opportunities come. I lost last week because of my emotions and I panicked and lost more. Yep, sounds like this story of a trader. Yep. Just got to learn from it, I guess. Just got to learn. No FOMO just for a shitty little one trade, right? Well, you're going to get one trade. You might get a few pips, but you're going to risk so much by doing it. If you just hang out, you just get another trade. Who's better, LeBron or Jordan? I don't know, brother. I don't watch football. I mean, whatever the fuck it is. Wow, forbidden. Lee. Yeah, what up, what up, what up? What time frame? This is a 15. We're just sitting on. Who was your mentor? Probably Raja, Nick Stewart. Raja and Nick Stewart are like two guys that I respect. Raja was like the first guy I ever came into. But then I went around the world and kind of, you know, did dumb things. And then Nick Stewart, I just kind of really respect his mentality. He's like a religious guy and stuff like that. I really like. But if you could come through the screen, I don't mind, to be honest. What are you looking for? 3 candle reversal? I'm not sure what that is, bro. Just waiting for some green to print and just see what happens then. I was wondering where you got that from, because sometimes it happens, but I didn't quite. Naughty Bloods. Sam, hey Daniel, do you think funded marketplace is reliable and you could pass their prop challenge? Funded marketplace? Funded marketplace, showcase your skills. So I guess it's just like some sort of prop firm. Buy a challenge. Get funded. Yeah, it's just some sort of... I hate when fucking these companies do this. It's like, we don't want to sign up to your shit just to see what your challenge prices are and shit. Like, just show us. The people, the guys that do this, they lose so many customers. You guys, I don't know if you're secretly, Samantha, I don't know if you're secretly affiliated, but you guys are losing so many customers by doing this. But yeah, it's just a funded company. Pass a challenge, gets paid. Let's do it. I'm requesting a $1,500 payout tonight, to be honest. I had to do 10 trading days on this account, and today's my 10th day. How we get a setup? Need to go to work? No. Don't even think like that. If we don't get a setup, it is what it is. It's fine. We'll come back tomorrow. What up, Big Tommy? Hope you're doing well. You guys, on one of the 50K giveaways over here, Tommy in the chat passed his challenge. So he'll be trading on a live account now, which is cool. Raj is the first guy he came into. Bro! Waiting for green can, exactly. Now perfect buy. Okay, Yaz. Thank you. Nah, just gold, brother. Just gold. When gold's shitty price action, then I just kind of have to sand down. I would like to trade some stocks and things like that if I could, but unfortunately living in Australia, you know, that happens at 12 a.m. Your boy's asleep then. I've been thinking of doing those, so you could scroll down and find their prices. I knew you were an affiliate. What are they called again? Is it funded? I actually want to see their prices. Oh, funded marketplace. Let's see their prices. Oh, you can. Okay, thank you. Sorry, I just roasted them. So let's have a look at that 100K account. What brokers? Wow, 400. So this is the thing. I'll be honest with you guys. And I don't know, Sam, if you are affiliated or you're part of this company, but a lot of these funding companies, you guys are getting outworked by the cheaper companies now. There's so many fucking places like Bullinox where you can get crazy cheap funded accounts. It's like, obviously it's going to take more guys to purchase it in order to make up for one sale for an expensive one. But I don't know who the fuck's paying this much for these accounts, to be honest. And that's USD as well, I could only imagine. Which I'm not trying to roast them. I'm just saying, like, I think the landscape for funded companies is starting to shift. And the guys that still have the really expensive prices, I don't know. I don't know how they're still afloat, to be honest. I've just got a lovely message from people asking me, how do you feel about meme coins? Yeah, I don't think about them ever. The prop firm's called Bullinox. Bullnox or some shit. A guy texted me with the same account as Daddy Hope's asking me to invest. Yeah, bro. Sounds legit. Loot of those Bullinox is amazing. Bro, Bullinox is so cheap, and it's like... Yeah, I'll type it in the chat. Bullinox. That's what it's called. They're so cheap, and they use the same software that... Look how somebody said before, buy. It's like, hey bro, why are you trying to catch falling knives? They use the same platform as Top Step. I love this software. It's just super easy. It's super chill. If I enter a trade, I can fucking drag my shit. What do you think about instant funding? I don't think it's a good idea because one, traders that actually can withdraw money from prop firms will just pass the challenge anyway. Two, so it's only for traders that can't pass challenges. So the guys that can't pass challenges also won't be able to get payouts. Because you got to realize once you get funded, it's not like you can just get a payout. You have to have like a certain amount of days of consistent trading or a certain amount of days of profitable trading. So it's like, you guys have to remember that if you're looking to get payouts and shit like that, like you need to be profitable because once you get funded, it's not over then. Hey, you guys on YouTube, can you guys please drop a thumbs up for the video as well? Help the algorithm. And if you can, throw a brick at the subscribe button. Live every day on YouTube. What up, S? Good to see you, brother. Yeah, live every day on YouTube, so drop a sub if you can, my G's. Pero, what up, what up? Kenny, Big Josh. What do you think about manipulation in the market on crypto at the moment? I don't know what you mean by manipulation, brother, sorry. I just see the market move up and down and just go, that's what the value of it is. You looking at longs right now? Bro, should I come through the screen? Should I crawl through the screen and freaking kiss you? Because why the fuck, when you look at this, do you say, are you looking out for longs right now? Right? So don't make me fucking bust. Cause yeah. So this is a 1 hour closure. Big strong 1 hour candle. Big strong boy. Big strong candle over here. Full port. I use Project X. This is Project X. Fuck Rhythmic. Fuck a beat, I'll go a cappella. But if you have a look over here, so check this out, you guys. Look what happened over here. When we dropped down here this time, you know, the last 30 minutes was a big, strong candle, and then it kind of rejected up from there. This is obviously a high rejection zone. I was only joking, bro. Same. Yes, push the subscribe button. Yeah, every day you've got to absolutely throw an entire fucking truck into the subscribe button. Put your phone on the ground and drop a brick onto the subscribe button. Gold ranging on the 30-minute? What the fuck? Gold's ranging? Gold's ranging. Gold's ranging. Oh, you can't see this. Ready, TikTok? Gold's ranging 3, 2, 1. Okay. I guess we're going to have to wait for a breakout. Because gold's ranging. Fuck! I'm only joking, brother. I'm only joking. Quick buy, very bullish. Wow, look at this. We might close with no bottom wick and then reject up. You know, when a candle closes in this situation with no wick, there's like a 50% chance that it could just completely reject back here. Does it mean, brother? Yeah, no, I know what you mean, brother. It's all good. I'm only joking. Wowzo. Pretty cool though. We get to I guess just watch it. You know, if you caught a seller from there, you're only up 180 pips. So. Super. I really like to trade, bro. Please, how can you teach me? Well, seems like you already like it, so just followed you, bro. Thank you, Q. Appreciate you. Big Q Banks in the building. Oh yeah, you guys. So how's this? MT5. Let me show you this shit. Let me show you a shit here. How's this? MT5 simulator messaged me or sent me an email through my website last night. Hey, we heard that you use MT5 simulator. We believe you're a great match. We have a database of 45K. We can promote you on the live streams, your live streams on YouTube via our media channels. If you're happy to do an affiliate, you'll get $40 per sale. We can give you a 10-15% discount to your community. If that doesn't suit you, would you be interested in hosting a webinar on MT5 Simulator? Please let us know your fees. That's pretty crazy, right? Because every Sunday in the Discord and in the mentorship, we use like the MT5 Simulator, and somehow they found out. Pretty crazy, eh? Pretty freaking cool. Get the deal. Yeah, I said something. I said something back. I don't know if I can be bothered though. I'd like to create my own simulation software somehow. Is there any freaking engineers and computer software people here? When I brought the MT4 simulator nights ago, I listed her. Ah, Nicole. C-Trader doesn't allow you to run. Don't do that fucking emoji. C-Trader doesn't allow you to run the soft simulator like the same way that MT5 does. Can you talk a little bit about leveraging? What I don't know what you want me to talk about in regards to that. Gold. Ramen, what up? Goldilocks. So let's see if we can get some sort of frickin' green over here, my dudes. Let's see if we can get in the greenery. If it wicks down, will you take a sell? If it wicks down, will you take a sell? What do you mean? This is the 15-minute. Hey man, any good trades today? Not really. We've just come into the London session and it's just been moving down 180 pips. So I haven't really had an opportunity, unfortunately. I don't know if we will get an opportunity. I'm going to wait around and see if a clean setup comes. But after the chart just moves impulsively 180 pips, what are you going to do? You know what I mean? That might be the move for the day. Big deal. That's all right. We can come back. We can live another day. But I'll see. I'll wait and see how this candle closes. I was told that the way market move on demo account doesn't move the same. No, that's not true, brother. It's the exact same. Yeah, it's the same. The demo account should just be like the exact market. Like you're just looking at the market, but you're not obviously not using real cash. What are you actually looking for now? I don't know. I have to see how this green candle prints, because this could, however this candle prints is going to give an indication of what potential setups, we could catch off it. But right now it's just here. It could shoot up 100 pips and then it's like, well, whatever I thought now doesn't matter. So when the candle gets closer to closing, then I start to think about that shit. Is the 4 hour still open? Yeah, obviously it is. So this could be a big 4 hour wick. This could turn into a big 4 hour wick. Oh, that was a 4-hour closure on Forex. And look at this, it's wicking up now. Remember I said if it closed with no bottom wick, there's a 50% chance it can just reject. Look at this, it's just rejected 65 pips here in like a second. Wow, big closure there and just reject back up. Interesting. Very interesting. And this is again why I said I'd just have to wait till the candle gets closer to closing, because this could happen and whatever I thought didn't matter then. No, not C-Trader. This is Bullinox, a funded company. Yeah, 4-hour close. This could be the top week of the 4-hour. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Look at this, just rejecting all the way back up over here, you guys. Wowzo. Nearly 100 pips here in 6 minutes. Nearly 100 pips in 6 minutes. Schizo. Wow, $99 away. Beautiful. You're pretty much there, brother. Just sides down now. You're there. I just admire your patience. That is who I need to become patient. You're an example. Thanks, Carolina. Yeah. It's just really like, what are you going to... There's nothing I can do. Like I know if I were to trade just with what's happened so far, it's not based on logic. And logic is what's going to keep me alive long term. It'd be based on impulse and FOMO. And yeah, I might get lucky today, but luck runs out real quick in the markets. You have to stick to logic. One win today doesn't, like one cheeky win. Yeah, it doesn't help me. Then it was Bullinox's futures. Hey, any of you guys that are like questioning this idea of like switching from Forex to futures, just know that it's like literally the easiest shit of all time. It literally is like nothing. It's just the same shit. When I did it, I was like, ooh, this is going to be crazy. And then I was like, oh, wow, it's just a chart. Like it's no different. It's just the same shit. It's literally just nothing. If you can trade one thing, you can just trade any chart. It's all the same. FOMO, let's all buy. Yeah, well, we kind of ran out of time now almost. For all the FOMO traders, it's just like, yeah, we've nearly moved 100 pips already. It's so funny. Whenever I put my chart on TikTok, you get all the views coming in. Unfortunately, you guys on TikTok, I have to keep taking the chart away because TikTok just flags it. But you can see here the live stream. Look at this, you guys on TikTok. This text here, that's where you can see the full shits. People say futures is a lot more smoother, less spreads. Yeah, there's no spread at all. You can get slipped and there's still commissions and shit, but in terms of spread, no. Yeah, if there's one thing I love about you, Dan, it's definitely your calm and patience. Thanks, Isaac. Oh, Isaac, I know you're in the mentorship. Yeah, brother. Like, at the end of the day, we've really got to be logical about it and just say, man, if there was a trade opportunity today, it was purely based on FOMO and impulse, not on logic. And FOMO and impulse sometimes results in lucky wins. But over the long haul, you'll just keep blowing up your accounts. You need logic to stay consistent. Like, really. Teach us how to Dougie? Oh, teach us how to trade. Nah, DJ, even if you type in not financial advice, it doesn't do anything. I've still got my accounts shut down from that. There's nothing you can do about it. There's no text, nothing you can do. Just, if it sees charts, it'll flag you. It's like an algorithm. So that's why we're live on YouTube, TikTok, we're live on YouTube. So we're an hour and 10 minutes into the sesh. Are you a day trader? I'm a night trader. I'm a fucking night trader, my brother. I'm an owl. I'm the infamous night trader. Yeah, I'm a day trader, big bro. I'm live on YouTube. I'm currently live on YouTube. Firing on all cylinders on YouTube. Can I trade bull and ox in Germany? I'm pretty sure you can trade anything anywhere. I find it difficult to it sounds like a fucking German name. I'm Scalper Bro in capitals. What up, Mr. Scalper? Daniel, you a scalper lol. Am I? Oh. Yeah, I'm a scalper. Alright, so what are we looking at over here? Let's have a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours got a big freaking wick now. 1 hour. 30. 15. It's gonna have to wait. Nothing. There's nothing right now. Just wait. There's no rush. There's no logical setup right now. You have to let the market breathe a little bit. Let it leave some clues. When it's just two colors, one red, one green, there's not enough clues being left yet. I'm an island boy. There's not enough motherfucking clues. And we want to see that color there, green, we want that. Red, we don't want that. So in order to get green and not red, we must exercise discipline and patience, my friends. Are you in Brisbane? Yes, I'm in Brisbane. Millionaire Mind 717. Hey, you guys on YouTube, please drop a subscribe so my mom can eat something other than cereal for dinner. Please drop a subscribe, brother. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Send it to you. Share, comment, like, post on your fucking social medias. And send a letter to your friends. Any good news events? No, there's no news until Wednesday. I think we've got CPI on Wednesday. Any Nigerians here? I think I have a lot of Nigerians. I looked at some of my statistics on TikTok and like Nigeria was like, I think a lot of, and I speak to a fair few Nigerians in the chat and shit. Yeah, look at this lovely boy. He's Nigerian here. Yep, there's a lot of Nigerians here. And so many Nigerian traders, yeah. Good, I watch you because I don't FOMO and I'm watching you keeps me calm. That's good, Joe. Yep. Let's not FOMO anything. Let's just wait for the market to actually tell us what it wants to do. Ask our president. See, told you it's not a green screen. Yep, a lot of Nigerians over here on TikTok. Yep, exactly. Wow, look at this, you guys. Unbelievable. There's a lot of guys holding cells over here getting extra greedy and they just all got felched. Wow. Alhamdulillah. Did you hear about Israel Adesanya and his girlfriend? Yeah, I didn't read into it too much, but it sounds like she's a nightmare. She's been a nightmare. Sounds like she's been a nightmare on Elm Street. Wow, you guys, unbelievable stuff over here. So this candle just closed, pushed all the way back up here. And oh wow, look at this girl over here. She's from Kenya. Hello, MJ. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. I'm going to take this away. I'm going to take this chart away, you guys. It's too risky on TikTok. But you can see right here, you guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, like way better screen, that's what you got to do. Speaking of which, Daniel, I can't seem to get your checkout on your website. It just keeps loading. Impossible, Mary. Impossible. Impossible. Humanly impossible. If I send you a link right here, if I send you a link here in the YouTube chat, that would be statistically impossible. Unless you're an island boy. All right, so let's have a look over here. That candle just came up here. Yes, Bullock has an activation fee. I just paid my activation fee right today and to link my accounts. It's fucking expensive. It was like 258 USD. Yeah, bro. I grew an account from 0 to 30K, and it got completely shut down from live streaming, that kind of shit. So now I just have to do it like this, and every now and then I'll bring the chart up. But even then I've got in trouble a bit. Mary, are you in the Discord? If you are, message me on there. I'll help you out, brother. Thoughts on PI? What the hell's PI? Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a sub because I'll be live every day here on TikTok. Make sure you subscribe, my brothers. Rub your finger up politely against the subscribe button. Slightly slither your finger up. Yeah, message me on the Discord, Mary, bro. I'll sort you out. I've been taking so many losses, feel like I have FOMO. Yeah, like, look, man, I've just sat here and watched the market move down red, 150 pips, and now green, 150 pips. So I just went down one color and back up one color. What am I going to do, right? I can't get emotional about it. You know, the best thing I can say to myself is it's not going anywhere. Like, if I just hang out, it will eventually leave me some clues that it will give me an opportunity to enter. But right now, it hasn't given that opportunity. If we look on the 1 hour, look what it looks like on the 1 hour. Nothing. You can't do anything. Oh, sorry. I'll show you on TikTok real quickly. Look at the 1 hour. You can't do anything. It's just that. Right? And if you go to 30, it's just one color. Go to 15, same shit, one color. So the best thing to do is just chill out, be patient, and just know that if you can just control your emotions here, you'll be able to actually take a professional trade. Remember, hey, you guys, listen to this. Remember, you guys are professional traders here. Like, you're a professional trader. You're not doing this as a hobby. Even if you don't think you're a professional trader, just say it to yourself. You're a professional trader. You're a 7-figure institutional professional trader, and you're watching these markets and you're trying to make bank. So you're gonna have to treat it professionally. So let's wait for it. Wait for a high probability setup. Hey mate, there's someone with your name. Yeah, they've added 46 on the end of. Oh yeah, there's so many. Dan getting way too carried away. Carried away with what, brother? Can I message you on TikTok? No. Going wild Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Oh wow, Bitcoin rejected over here. Is there some sort of fundamental news happening right now? Is like Trump fucking tweeting or something? The markets are going fucking bananas. Is anything else doing weird shit? What's DXY? No. What about what's copper doing? Nothing too much. Aussie US? Yeah, nothing out of the usual. I don't know. What strategy? Just price action, brother. Also, do you trade multiple strategies and models? No, just keep it simple. One strategy, one time, one session. Sir, please, you have to teach me how to do this, please, with the pray emoji. God's time, billion, I can't teach you. I can teach you, but you're going to have to pay, right? In order for you to actually put the effort into learning this properly, because you can't half-ass learn it. To learn it properly, I put together an entire course for that. But in order for you to kind of pick it up slowly, I would suggest you just go onto YouTube, go onto Google, learn the basics, show up to the live stream. But when you're ready to take it to the next level, I have that for you. But that's for people that are ready to take it serious. You need to get to that level first. That's right, Lauren. Yeah, just wait, brother. Would you recommend keeping my gold open on buys? I don't know. I'm only just waiting for the market to give me an opportunity to scalp it. I don't know what it's going to do over the next however long, if you know what I mean, bro. I always tell myself I'm a fund manager holding billions of dollars. Bro, that's it. That's what's up, man. Like, check this out. Like, this is like just shit that I have laying around. Like, I have it here. I'm a professional 7-figure trader. I'm a disciplined trader. This is my job. And I stick to my trading rules. Pretty simple, bro. And it's just like, I know that most of us probably write shit down, but I read that every single morning. It's the first thing I do. I have some other shit that I read there as some sort of affirmation. And I just keep reminding myself, because I know that the effort I put in today doesn't carry on to tomorrow. Every day, it's like a reset. You have to continually, work for the win. Like, nothing comes easy. So that's why people are like, brother, please fund my account, or brother, please give me this. It's like, brother, please, you're not going to fucking succeed, because it's a daily habit. You have to do this shit every single day. Anything that's given to you, you're just not going to value it. Hey, bro, I need your insight. Please tell me on how to contact you. No. If you have anything, just message me here, brother. Like in the chat. Do you think somebody can learn trading all alone without any guidance? No. Oh, Carlos, what's up, brother? Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what's up, my G. That is what's up, brother. Lovely. Carlos is very active in the Discord, you guys. He's passed another challenge over here. Great trader. We have some good traders in the Discord. So I've watched you many days and never seen you take a trade. Motherfucker! What trade is there to take? If you tell me logically what trade is there to take, I'll take it. Right? So yeah, the last 3 days it's been pretty rough. This breach sucks. Exactly. Any book recommendations? Yep, right here. The Best Loser Wins. I'm rereading it. I'm going back over The Best Loser Wins, so I'll go see him right here. You think we 200 people who come to... I'm also rereading Think and Grow Rich. I've actually gone over this, but I'm going over it again. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about the concept of thoughts becoming things? I spoke about it with the guys in the mentorship this morning. Do you know this? When I was a kid, I used to do this thing where it was essentially a manifestation when I was probably like 8. I used to tell my friends, hey, you guys, like everything I think of, I'm getting. Like, tell me what you want and I'll get it for you. Because I didn't really understand the concept, but it was still a thing I was doing as a kid. And I remember my friend was like, oh yeah, like I want a hat. Like, can you get me this hat? And I was like, yeah, I'll get you the hat. And I started to like think about it. Obviously he probably didn't get the hat, but I used to have a name for it. And then as you get older, you kind of forget about it. And then you realize there's, there's philosophy behind the concept of thoughts becoming things. And it's funny going back over Think and Grow Rich, where it's about that whole premise, really. It's part of the reason why I have these daily affirmations to keep. You got to keep the goals fresh in your mind because life's so distracting. And you got to keep the goals big. I think it's okay to have big goals. Because 6 months ago, or even a year ago, I wouldn't have even thought I was where I am right now in terms of my trading, the community. Do you know, one day I was just in the gym, I was like, man, I've been thinking about live streaming, and I started live streaming. No one used to show up. No one for like months, sometimes one person. Now I've got a full community. There's like nearly 4,000 people in the Discord. Got a mentorship teaching other traders. It's just like, it's not a philosophy, it's science. If life is truly a simulation, then the state of mind, you get what you wish. Yeah. Let's have a look. Laws of the universe. It's definitely universal laws, yeah. Yep. Do you ever notice how much better your life goes when you kind of live it in accordance to universal laws? Like just be a good human? You tend to get... Do you know, I don't think luck is just luck. This is an epiphany I had the other night. I was like, I don't think luck is just luck. I think luck is more than luck. I think luck is granted to you when you live in accordance to universal laws. Sometimes luck will just be passed your way as an opportunity to keep... I don't know. You only open the gateway to luck when you live in a certain manner, I think. Do you realize that people that live shitty lives never get lucky? Oh, why? Never me. She'll never like me. That mentality. People that don't live in accordance to like universal laws don't ever get lucky. There's no such way to master. You just jump on Google, brother. Just start Googling. Do you think backtesting? I think backtesting is great. I use the MT5 simulator to backtest. It's great. How did you learn trading? Just learn the fundamentals for like 6 months on Google and stuff like that. And then I started trading demo, and then I did a mentorship, and then I went around the world doing all this dumb shit, I did probably every mentorship, to be honest. And that was essentially a waste of time. And then I ended up back on the same strategy that I started with. I studied, bro. I studied, bro. Johnny Walker. I studied, bro. Connect. All about being positive every day. Yep, positivity is huge. That's one of my things that I always write down when I do reflection work, which sounds corny, but it's something I have to do. Something that I always come back to is, motherfucker, remember to stay positive. Whenever I get out of alignment with positivity, it feels like I'm falling into the grasp of the devil. What do you mean? What about people that are born rich, lucky? Yeah, but that just because they are born rich doesn't mean that they're happy. They're probably the most unhappy because you need contrast. Happiness is only in contrast with how much you know how shit is. It's probably I actually think it's the only reason that like bad things exist is because you need it to contrast the good things. Whoever made us, whether it's God or a simulation, it's embedded in the simulation that you need darkness, bad, evil in order to contrast to know what good is. But I think evil and bad and darkness is empty. There's nothing to it. It's just like a false concept used to contrast. Do you use ICT? No, just price action. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. What the fuck are we gonna do, right? What are we gonna do over here? 30-minute just closed. All about belief in yourself and your situation. Yep. What made you go into trading? Just hit a really bad spot in life at one point and decided, man, I'm 30 years old. I've tried a lot of shit to try to turn my life around or achieve financial something. And it's kind of failed. Started a lot of small businesses that never really took off, behind the scenes and publicly. And I honestly was really depressed. And I was like, you know what, man, this might be my last opportunity. I just literally jumped onto Google, highest paying jobs, engineer, doctor, fucking whatever. Because I was like, I'll do anything. I cannot finish my life average. I won't settle down with a girl. I won't have kids. I won't do anything until I know that I'm on the path to financial freedom. So I was like, fuck it, man, this might be my last opportunity. And then like the fourth one down said trader. I was like, what the fuck is a trader? I've always wondered what trading is. I was like, oh, interesting. The next thing I typed in, do you need a degree? No. I was like, what the fuck? Where has this been my whole life? I grew up in a low income, crime-riddled suburb with fucking alcoholic, schizophrenic parents. So I don't have the highest education. I did a lot of dumb shit in my early days. And you're telling me there's a way to escape the motherfucking matrix where I don't need a degree? I can make more than a doctor? All I have to do is lock the fuck in? Bro. And then I just locked in. I locked the fuck in. Was it without tears and a lot of setbacks and all this and that? Yes. Was there moments I wanted to give up? Yes. Even though when I wanted to give up, I knew I wouldn't because I knew I had no plan B. I knew I could never walk away. But yeah, that's kind of that's how it went, bro. Amazing. Thank you, Robin. And love, which is, yeah, yep, that's right, sweet, yep. The more you research the laws, the more you, yeah, bro. Fully, man. Why missing a pullback entry? Pullback buy entry? Where's the pullback buy entry? Give yourself no option to succeed? Yep. Awesome story. Thank you. Why do I get like no money when I profit? Like I only make it. These conversations are why I'm here, by the way. Thanks. Yeah. Bro, we get real over here. We get real over here, Lee. I message you on Discord. If you could read my message and respond and spare me the time, it would be great. J. We'll see, brother. We'll see. How long did it take you to become profitable? I don't know, man. I ate shit for about 2 years, to be honest. Do you get tired of repeating the same questions? Rashika, it's gold. Don't spam that or I'll block you. No, I don't get tired of answering the same questions because I'm passionate about this and I'm passionate about helping others. Because I remember when I started, I would have wanted to know some of this stuff here. But when people say dumb shit, and I just roast them. But yeah, I'm not afraid to answer the same questions too much. It's okay. Can I still enter? You guys, I'm going to hang out a little bit longer, but you can see volume's dying down a little bit now. This was been today, just one candle down and then immediately one candle back up. As I came into the London session and seeing it impulsively dropping down here, you got to be real with yourself and see like, this is probably the move. This is probably the move for the day. But we'll hang out for a little bit longer and just see over here. The market could print something that's kind of textbook. Yeah, I took a trade earlier based on the 4 hour, but not in London Open. From every month? Yeah, pretty much. Well, yes, I guess is the answer. Yeah, no trading book's going to help you. Like it is to a degree, but you're going to have to learn the fundamentals. I can't give up. I'm really happy that I came to your For You page on TikTok. Yeah, appreciate it. Good to have you here, man. I don't know about you guys, but when I got invested in this, when you see the possibilities of what trading can bring, it's impossible to give up. Because if you do give up, you'll be sitting there 3 years later, sitting on a couch, and you'll be looking and you'll be like, why did I give up? And you know you gave up because you couldn't stick to your rules, you kept revenge trading, and you just couldn't do it, right? It's not because it was a scam or it was too hard. It was because you couldn't master yourself. That's all it is, man. You can't once you master yourself, because you get to a point with trading where you're like, oh, this is beyond just the charts. This is me. This is God. This is like, it goes deeper, bro. It really goes deeper. And it's hard to explain until you get there. But you realize getting profitable, it goes deeper than just charts, bro. Oh, then hit me. Oh, okay. That's good that you do then, Renee. Yeah. Why is your support so high? Because if I were to put it here and we get a break above that, I know straight away to the left here, we got some shit that it's going to get trouble. It's going to have troubles getting past. It's not a big enough range. So I have it here because I know to the left from there, it's clean motherfucking traffic. Clean range. Good question. Wow, so it turns out we've completely filled that entire range. This 4-hour candle is now flipping green. Wow. What should we do to learn to master it? You just jump on Google and YouTube, start at the basics. Think about this like a degree, like you're trying to learn to be a doctor or a surgeon. What would you do? You start by studying. I studied, bro. Right? And I remember back in the day, you would have read the Wall Street Journal and used the total theory. Today's trade was just based on the 4-hour. We came up, rejected, created a bit of support, wicked up, broke that wick there, took a sell, wrote it down here. Pretty just simple. It made sense on the lower time frames a little bit as well. How many TikTok accounts do you have? Yes. How much were your veneers? They were fucking expensive, I think. Yeah, I think they were pretty expensive. Oh, you stood down for 2 years there? Yeah. I found Bullinox expensive, then Top Step. Yeah, you got to use their discount codes. They have discount codes if you Google them. They have crazy discount codes. Stacy, you're back. Fuck, it must be late for you, Stacy. It must be pretty late for you. You little night owl. We've got a little owl over here. Which prop? Ah, it's called Bullinox. Bullnox. Even a doctor requires years and years of learning. But yeah, man. Yeah, I'm in the same boat as you, Lee. Like Lee just said, I'm happy with whatever direction it wants to go, but just give me something. I'm actually in the same boat. I'm happy with whatever way it wants to go. I have no bias right now, but it's exactly that. But give us something. Print in such a manner that it gives us an idea that, hey, I'm looking to go this way potentially. Like we'll need if we're looking for it to go down, you want to see like a red candle kind of engulf this shit, then retest and start to push down type shit. You know what I mean? Like you want to see some shit, but right now it's just one color, 2 colors. That's all. There's fucking 2 colors. There's no other shit. Oh, that's crazy. HS TikTok. Bro, why have you got that dude's TikTok name? What's your strategy? Just fucking price action. Yeah, pay attention to support resistance and stuff. Thank you, Connor. Would you ever offer a lifetime subscription? Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. I'll tell you what, anyone that's in the mentorship over the next 2 months is getting a complete revamp. Now that I've put it all together and I know like how to use it in the back end system, I've got a whole plan of how to just like up the quality and up the amount of content and everything for it. So anyone that's in there right now, it's going to get fully revamped and just a lot more content added in. And but yeah, that's a good idea, Nicole. Fake account, get me. You got to earn with you. Then if this 4-hour closes engulfing the... Yeah, that's a good observation. Let's have a look. Yeah, I can see what you're saying. But again, it's got to make sense in a lower time frame. That's the only thing. Yeah, it's going to take a bit too long to... If I was looking for a 4-hour golf, I'd want to see a pullback, and I'd want to kind of look to enter there as it pushes up. See a wick down to fill some of that range, and I guess we'll see. We'll just have to wait and see. But don't hold, like, yeah, if we don't get a trade today, which is highly likely, just say it's been one of them days, whatever. I would definitely pay for a lifetime membership, but how much would it go for? I don't know. If you're eager to learn, I'll just get in there now and we can figure it out later anyway. Doesn't matter. It's not that expensive, bro. It's cheap compared to a lot of shit out there. And especially the value you get. Ah, nice point. How much interest did you get from the meetup? Yeah, a lot. And there's a lot of people that are messaging me about it. We'll definitely do the meetup for sure, you guys. We're definitely going to do a meetup. That'll be dope. Just got liquidated after trading Bitcoin full margin last night when I was... Bro! Not there, boy! Not there! So what did you get liquidated? Oh, you got... A lot of people probably got liquidized here. A lot of people just got liquidized here from Bitcoin with that big push up there. Liquidization was happening on all fronts. Hey Daniel, stop DM me on Discord and TikTok. What time do you go live every day? London Open. If you Google what time is a London Open session on the financial market, you will see what time that is where you are. Oh, did you, Armando? Nice. I had luck, I think. Love just hanging out and listening to the discussions of different subjects while trading. Love the accent. Yeah, that's it. Like while we wait for a setup, that's it. Looks like it's, you know, again, and I don't mean to discourage people, but experienced traders know exactly what I'm saying. When I jumped into the market, you know who's experienced and who's impatient. The guys that are in the DM like, dude, you're going to take a trade? And it's like, when you jump into the market and it's just this, you know there's a high probability that's the move for the day. Especially when this green candle printed pushed up 100 pips. Now we're probably just going to dick around until New York, like if we're going to be brutally honest. This candle closed in 1 minute here. We'll see. Listen to you now after speaking the other week about not overtrading. Now I'm full profit. Ah, beautiful, Josh. Almost fell for a fake account. That's 27K. Bro, yeah, some of these accounts, man, they're fucking good with it. Oh, I got to hide this thing, TikTok. I'll get in trouble. Bro, hear me out. I do a prediction for the future. China is going to ban trades in the US market crash. All right, everyone. Omar Sale M3578 on TikTok chat just predicted an entire financial market crash. So we'll see. We'll see, brother. If it happens, then you win the award. Do you have any idea for the meetup? Oh, for when the meetup? I think sometime next month. I think sometime late next month. Late April, I think is a good idea. I'm going to rent out an area. I've got a 75-inch touchscreen monitor so we can do some actual trading stuff as well, which will be cool. And just hanging out. Catch up. Link. Connect. You guys, connect. You a commodities trader? Connect. I studied, bro. So, yeah, we'll do something like that. Hi, sir. Can you teach me how to enter a trade? Yes, press buy or sell. That's all you need to do. That's all, brother. The leg back up is pretty wild. Yeah, just come back up. I'll tell you right now, if this candle were to wick and then close bearish here, I might look at taking a sell. Any trades in action? Just watching, just waiting. Watching, waiting, contemplating. What are you trading on now? Your mama! Sorry, I'm trading on Bullinox. I'm in for the Colombian meetup. Yes! So am I. You guys, I might move to Colombia just for the waterfalls. Not the women. Not the women. I used to live in Brisbane, missing felon. What up, 10 pips? Bro, you need to change your name to at least 15 pips. Daniel asked me for my credit card. How much for those veneers? Probably like fucking 17 grand or maybe more. 10. There's 10 at the top and 10 at the bottom. Bitcoin is banned in China, is it? Bro needs just 10 pips. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with claiming, snagging 10 pips, man. Press bios. Is a robot legit, sir? Is a robot legit, sir? Zzz. Zzz. That fucking question just made me malfunction as if I am a robot. So, I want to learn Forex. Okay, John Paul, you want to learn Forex with 2 smiley faces. John Paul wants to learn Forex, sir, with 2 smiley faces. If you want to learn Forex, the first thing you're going to see a lot is this color, red. And then if you stay a while, you might see green, but mostly it's going to be red. So the question you need to ask yourself, John Paul, 2 smiley faces, is, are you willing to go through 2 years of red? Okay? If the answer is yes, then this might be for you. 2 smiley faces is going to be gone, dude. I went through a full year of red. Bro, I went through 2 years of red. So, yeah, man. You got to get red with it. 2 years of crying. Yeah. I've been learning Forex for 2 years and thinking of buying a bot now. I don't know what to say to that, bro. Like, my initial reaction is to say, well, why did you bother learning it for 2 years? But I won't say that. I've been trading but blowing my accounts for a year. I need a mentor. Then get a mentor! This is ego. And I see it all the time. And I'm sorry to roast you, and I'm not roasting you specifically, but this is the #1 thing I see. Ego. People think they can do it themselves, which you can in theory, but speed up the process. If somebody else has already figured it out, just copy them. They already figured it out. You can just copy what they did and make the money. But here's the thing. You can copy it, but then you have to put your own twist on it and your own psychology, because trading is still going to fucking test your psychology. There's no such thing as a perfect setup. I have perfect setups that I wait for, but they're never perfect. There's also always a wick here, or this one candle closed like this. Like, there's always nuances. But, like, ask for help. Get help. Like, it's like saying, hey, I want to be a heart surgeon. Can I do it myself? It's like, do the study that the successful surgeons did to be a successful surgeon. You're not going to figure it out yourself. You're trying to take money out of the financial market. I know it looks easy, but it's very difficult. So, yeah. Two years is lucky. I wasn't profitable for 3. Yeah. Yep. The problem is after 2 years, you know how to trade. It's emotional. That's the problem. Absolutely. Yep. Imagine trusting a bot with your money. Yeah, I don't understand that. You're coming across a bit aggressive right now. Yeah, I am. I'll bash. Oh, I better not do that. I'll get in trouble. You're really coming across aggressive. Sometimes you need to get aggressive with people. Like, bro, you don't know what it's like out in these streets. Yep. Time Prince, go to the link in my bio, my brother. And you will see all things. Why are you angry, man? Really? Bro, do you actually think I'm angry, bro? Do you realize we live in an era where people are so scared? Like, roasting... My whole life with my friends, we roast each other. Like, people need to get roasted. This is why most people are pussies. Because, like, you need a good roasting. You need someone to be like, hey, bro, this is so dumb. Like, and it's actually what makes you change. But it's been so glorified to not tell people that they're dumb, that people will continue to be dumb. Do you want me to be helpful? Guess who's the most helpful motherfucker in the world? The honest one. And what I'm telling you is, you're being a freaking... Right? People are strawberries these days. Yeah, you need to roast people. You need someone to be really honest with you. I'm not... Obviously, I'm joking at the same time, but... You need that honesty, my bro. At the end, it's amazing because you feel it. How to handle your emotion and ego. I love that, buddy. I love that. Emotion and ego. Ego plays an actual huge role in trading. Like, if you can delete that, man. Oof. Nowadays, people are way too soft. Bro, so soft. It's fucking crazy. And the thing is, I'm in a bit of a different situation, you guys. Like, I've literally grown my TikTok to nearly 100,000 in like under 3 months. And they're all traders. So can you imagine the constant messages I get? And I'm fine with it, but I see the same thing on repeat. So I'm starting to get a pulse on like the mindset of like an average trader. And most people are completely delusional about the work that it takes to get to the place that they want to be, which is fine. It's okay. But if somebody tells you, you really need to like think, like just think. Like, or maybe withdrawing money out of the financial market and achieving more money than a doctor and financial freedom is going to be a little bit difficult. Or maybe we'll have to do a bit of stuff. The best way to start trading with no computer setup? Just start Googling shit and save up for a computer. People have lost the art of taking the piss, bro. Legit. So this candle closes in 6 minutes. If this doesn't flip red, I'm going to call it a day, you guys. I've been looking at the chart since 2 days. I woke up right before the drop. Yeah, but even the drop didn't telegraph anything. There was like, it'd be very difficult to catch that drop. Can I send you an image on Discord? Yeah, drop something in the Discord if you've got some sort of analysis over here. Oh, here's some analysis. Oh, looks like Faith over here. Potentially looks like he might have caught this sell, I think. But yeah, make sure you guys on YouTube, drop a subscribe. You guys live every day. I'll be live on the London session. Hopefully we can come into the London session tomorrow and it not just be one color and then it flip just 1, 2 color. I hope it flips red so you don't leave. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, I guess. Do you have multiple accounts? No, I'm just a singular. I'm a single-celled organism. Oh, wow. This is a 4-hour closure on futures. Intriguing. Intriguing. This is a single-cell organism on futures. What do you trade on? Yo, mummy. I trade on Bullinox. Funded company. Then he made it from Asia. Yeah, a bit of Asia shit. Just a bit of an Asia trade. Sorry. You're right, bro. This shit's so hard. I've studied for months now. 10 books in, back testing weekends, hours up, hours. Can't get entries right, but won't give up. Make sure you're fine tuning on a good system though, Harpreet, because like a lot of traders like spend a lot of time, but you don't realize, but you're fine tuning a system that isn't. It's kind of like it's flawed. Like you need a system which is fleshed out, and it's like a condensed system where you know you take profit, you know everything, like you know everything. It's a condensed, proven system. Because you can spend a lot of time. One more drink, fuck. You can spend a lot of time fucking wasting time almost because you have a flawed system. And this is where the ego thing comes in, because in order for me to go back to my roots and really flesh out the current system that I use now, I actually specifically remember thinking, I'm going to have to stop everything I'm currently doing, step back, delete all the shit that I think is working, which isn't, because I had to look at my P&L and said it's a mess, and then start again, pretty much. And it was really something I had to do. You kind of have to rebirth. It's like a rebirth. Are you willing to get born again? Right? You really have to ask yourself, am I willing to come out of my mummies again? And if the answer is yes, then, that's the first step. That's an ego death. I think gold will go up. Yeah, I don't know. I've always got in trouble when I've thought things were going to happen. Yep, exactly. 1,000 times. Where do you keep your stop loss? Depends on the trade setup, but typically no longer than 20 pips away. Typically no more than 20 pips. Oh, sir, you are the best mentor. You are! Yeah. So these are my books I'm going back over. I'm going to order a Bible tonight online. I was meant to do it today, but I didn't. In this game, ego doesn't exist or you will get got. Absolutely, bro. Best thing I've ever heard. That's 100% true. Yep. Are you Albanian, bro? Huh. Let's have a look why I might be thought as Albanian. Albanian man. Albanian man? Really, bro? Really, bro? No, I think I'm Australian. Why the Bible specifically? Because I guess it goes deep. It goes deep. I won't get into it right now. Yep, not only in trading, in life. But this is what I said before. In order for you guys, in order to become a profitable, consistent trader, you get to that point and you realize, oh, this became more than just charts. There's a certain level of spirituality that you have to bypass in order to get to that point. Trust me, bro. It goes deeper than charts. You feel now is the time to let into your life? I've been thinking about it for quite some time. Quite a lot of time, and I've been doing certain things and practices, but I just want to have a Bible because I understand that it's like wisdom. I want to be able to just check into that kind of timeless wisdom and I want to absorb the messages. It's printing red, brother. Yeah, it is printing red, brother. You're right. Damn it, I have to stick to my word now. Wow, look at this. What is with this price action? You didn't want to give us a bottom wick, did you? I don't know if you need a degree, but just asking, you think finance is the most useful? Wait, what do you mean, Ashay? No way it's gonna Okay, I like that it's potentially making a bottom wick here first. I like that it's potentially making a bottom wick here first. If this can wick up now, then I can put my sell stop below that. Oh, come on, bro. Obviously going to need that top wick. Going to need it to retest one more time. I don't know if you actually need a degree to do well in trading, but no. It doesn't mean anything, brother. No. No, a good degree won't benefit you whatsoever. Wow. Fuck. Come on, London. That's it. Really, bro? Really? You're going to do us dirty like that, London? We sat here patiently. Bruh. Shit the actual bed. Relax, mate. Don't tell me to relax! Jokes. Professional gambler, yeah. I actually don't give a fuck, but what's the best bicep workout? Does this answer your question? Ugh. Does this answer your question? Ugh. You know? Let's have a look here. How much did that drop in terms of pips? Oh, it's still going. Yay! Yay! Hey, you guys. No motherfucking FOMO. You guys? Check this out. I'm locked out. I'm done. No FOMO, you guys. Hey, check this out. Please don't go anywhere just yet. Let me say this one thing because people are going to drop off. Don't fucking trade, you guys. Just call it a day. Call it a day. If you've been waiting now, there's going to be something within you that wants to take a trade now. That's not logic. That's emotion. Just call it a day, brother. Call it a day. It's fine. What do you do if you feel like have consumed way too much information? Just stop learning and start practicing. Yeah, good one, John. No need to force anything, you guys. Make sure you guys drop a subscribe. Live every day. Tomorrow, hopefully, we get an opportunity. We nearly got one after some weird movement. Yeah, not touching these markets. I'm up. Yeah, that's, bro. It's fine, you guys. We've got, how if you're like 30 or in your 20s or even a teenager, you've got another 70 years. Let's look at this. How many days in 70 years? Cool. You've got another 2,500 days. If you can't get another trade in 2,500 days, you're done. You're cooked. Gold left the... Yeah, legit. Yeah, all good, brothers. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you drop a subscribe, my friends, and I'll catch you guys in the London stream tomorrow. All good.